phrasal verbs starting with a, add up, to accumulate, allow of, to permit or admit, ask for, to request something, add on, to include as an extra, answer back, to respond rudely, allow for, to take into account, agree upon, to reach a consensus, agree upon, to reach a consensus, add together, to combine amounts, agree to consent to something, add up to equal a total amount, act up, to misbehave or malfunction, act as, to perform a temporary role, allow in, to grant entry to someone, apologize, to say sorry to someone, apologize, to say sorry to someone, aim at, to target something or someone, awake, to become aware of something, admit, to confess to doing something, arrive at, to reach a decision or place, answer to be responsible to someone, aim for, to intend to achieve something, adhere to stick firmly to something, add in, to include as part of something, ask in, to invite someone into your home, ask over, to invite someone to your home, amount to be equivalent to something, appeal to attract or interest someone, agree on, to reach a decision with others, ask out, to invite someone to go on a date, apply to concern or relate to something, answer for, to be responsible for something, answer for, to be responsible for something, attend to focus on something or someone, avail oneself of, to make use of something, angle, at, to aim towards a particular outcome, act out, to express an emotion through actions, apologize for, to express regret for something, argue with, to dispute or disagree with someone, admit of, to allow the possibility of something, admit of, to allow the possibility of something, appeal against, to formally challenge a decision, advise against, to recommend not doing something, ask about, to inquire about someone or something, ask up, to invite someone to join in an activity, act up, to fulfill an expectation or standard, act as if, to behave as though something is true, account to provide an explanation to someone, agree with, to share the same opinion as someone, agree with, to share the same opinion as someone, ask around, to ask several people for information, argue for, to present reasons supporting something, act upon, to take action in response to something, add to increase the amount or level of something, arrive in, to reach a destination, a city or country, act on, to take action based on advice or information, apologize for, to express regret for a specific action, Ask after to inquire about someone's health or well-being. Account for, to explain the reason or cause of something. Account for, to explain the reason or cause of something. Ask around, to gather information by asking different people. Act under, to perform under a certain condition or authority. Angle for, to try to get something indirectly, often by hinting. Apply for, to make a formal request for something, job, permit. Argue against, to present reasons why something should not happen. Attribute to regard something as being caused by someone or something.